Welcome back, everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since I recorded anything because I've just been plugging away at the car. No, you can't look at that. The engine is in. The turbo pipes are on. I got to work on some wiring because the harness that was in the scrapyard car, apparently people had cut some connectors off. So luckily I had the parts card that Eric got, so I can wire in those connectors. And then I got to make brackets to hold the intercooler up. The bumper was test fit, that was on. And then I got to put the radiator in, front wheels, and I'm hoping I have rotors. And then I got to connect all the brake lines up, bleed the brakes, the clutch line, and hopefully it runs by the time the end of the month is. Okay, fine. You guys can see what it has done. I was just gonna make this a reveal at the car show, but like I said, I gotta get intercooler figured out, the piping. I'm figuring out the airbox setup. It's ugly right now, but hopefully fix that one of these days. And then, like I said, the wiring, I got to figure out some stuff. Vacuum line still got to get figured out. Power steering line from the parts car. And then I think the reservoir has to change, because I think that's different. But it's raining outside, so I don't even want to go out there. Oh yeah, I've been driving that for a week now. It's had a few issues. It's got new tires, new brakes. Runs and drives, it's a daily beater. So I got a little problem with the parts car. It won't clear my concrete drop off here. So we're trying this. Okay. Yeah, you are. Going back up. I tried to pull it over and it just shattered. No, I don't know where to put it now. Dang it. Oopsies. I kind of threw that in the way of your tire, apparently. Well, hey guys, yeah, I forgot to finish recording yesterday. It's Mother's Day today, and I just came out, got the intercooler mounted, threw the bumper on, grill on, the wiring for the turn signal so that the lamps work. I got some switchbacks for that. The wiring here is fixed. All the pipes are all tight. Power steering's tight. The overflow container is in. There's a evap system that I discovered. That's what that solenoid back there is, that I got to route. But I'm going to call it into this video. Next video, I should get the suspension parts on. This one's sort of done. And put it on its wheels, and then I can take it to work and actually get some exhaust done on it. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Sorry it's been delayed for a month, but we're getting closer.